Question 6 for Unit 6 is a little tricky. We're given an APR, and we know that the only thing we can get from an APR is a monthly rate of interest. But we're going to make payments yearly. So our first step must be to convert the APR into a yearly rate. We've already seen how to do that in question 4. Here we go again. We have an APR of 6%. The only thing we can do with an APR is divide it by 12 to get a monthly rate. This monthly rate doesn't look like a percentage, so we'll reformat it. Right-click, Format as a percentage. 6% APR just means that each month we'll get charged 0.5% in interest. Now we follow an easy round amount of money, $100, for 12 months. If the $100 increases each month at 0.5%, how much will it increase over the whole year? After 1 year, it'll be 100 plus the additional 0.5%. Since we'll be dragging, we use absolute addressing. At the end of 12 months, it'll be $106.17. Clearly that's a little bit more than 6%. An APR of 6% is not an actual annual rate of 6%. Because of compounding, it's more. Precisely how much is it per year? We divide the end number by the beginning, subtract 100%, and we get our answer. The answer is approximately 6.17%. The exact answer is given in this cell. Now we can easily find out what happens to our loan. We have a loan of $22,000. We'll follow it over a period of 10 years. Note that these numbers count months, 1, 2, 3, 4, for a period of 1 year. These numbers count full years. This is 1 year after we take our loan, 2 years after we take our loan, and so on. After 1 year, we'll owe the original amount plus the yearly interest. The yearly interest was hard to calculate, but now we know what it is. It's this amount right here. And we'll be using it over and over, so we use absolute addressing. At the end of 1 year, we owe the $22,000 we borrowed plus the interest, but we need to subtract off our payment of $2,400. At the end of the year, we owe what we owed plus the interest minus the payment. Now we can just drag this down for 10 years and get our final answer. Because we were making a payment, the amount we owe goes down. Over a period of 10 years, it goes down from $22,000 to $8,142.46. Here's the recap. We were given an APR, but we needed a yearly rate. We took the APR and divided it by 12 to get a monthly rate. We applied the monthly rate to an easy amount of money, $100, to see how that would grow over 1 full year. Then we used our percentage formula here to see what the growth was from 100 up to 106.17. And we found that yearly, the amount we owed was growing at 6.16 and a little bit percent. Then we used this percentage to make yearly calculations. Each year we owe a certain amount plus the annual interest, using this, minus our payment.